Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the 2019 Toyota Avalon. This one is a limited trim level. And we're just going to take a brief look at the standout features, whether they're standard or optional, on the new 2019 Toyota Avalon. So let's just get a reference point for what we're dealing with and check out the window sticker. Now, as previously mentioned, this is a 19 Avalon Limited. It is in the windshield pearl with the graphite leather. As far as your options go, we do have the advanced safety package, special color and carpet mats for a total of $44,639. Looking at wheels, we are riding on hand-cooked tires. These are going to be your 18-inch alloys. And as you can see, that all new rear end on the new Avalon, of course. So we'll go ahead and start it up, and we will go over the features. So we do have smart key, of course. We do have our new key fob on the vehicle, so just hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, 14 miles, so foot on the brake, button to start. Seat will auto recall to its last memory setting. So let's check out what the Avalon has to offer. It might be important to start with what's underneath the hood of the Avalon. This is going to be the upgraded V6 engine. It does feature D4S direct and port fuel injection for a total combined output of 301 horsepower and 267 foot-pounds of torque. You also do have a 2.5 liter hybrid synergy drive power plant available also. And this is all connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission on your V6 models over your previous 6-speed. Now, taking a look at the exterior, of course, as you can see, the polarizing new front grille. There is also a new XSE trim level. I will insert a picture here to give you a nice mesh grille similar to the XSE trim level on your new Camrys as well. Now, checking out your headlights, these are going to be full LED headlights with adaptive cornering and sequential turn signals. Front parking sensors up front with a front view camera. And then, as you can see, behind your Toyota logo, we are going to have TSSP standard that will include your lane departure alert, steer assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. Now, coming around to the side of the vehicle, checking out your side mirrors, of course you do have turn signal indicators, heated, and you do have your blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert standard on all your Avalon models. Coming around back, dual outlet exhaust, rear backup camera, of course, standard. We also do have our rear parking sensors back here. So let's go ahead and check out the inside. Now, coming in, of course, we do have our completely redesigned interior as well. Fully perforated driver's seat with your heated and ventilated available options. Fully powered driver's seat down there with your power lumbar, 2-person memory, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel that is available to be heated as well. So stepping in, as you can see, the first thing that you'll notice when looking at the windshield is going to be your heads-up display. It does not flicker in person, that's just going to be a trick of the camera. But all of that can be configured in your nice 7-inch LCD gauge cluster right up here. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, just go ahead and press your camera button, and as you can see, you do have your available 360-degree surround view camera. There is 2 views for that. Does help with parallel parking, centering yourself in a space, and of course with that front camera, putting it in drive, you do have a creep mode, so when you're automatically going low speeds, you can creep into a spot via the camera, giving you more confidence. And of course, we do have a rear view camera as well, and you can activate the 360-degree bird's eye view if you would like to right there. And all of those camera views are going to be shown on your standard 9-inch LCD touchscreen radio. As you can see, going to audio, there's a lot of sources right here: AM, FM, XM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio. Of course, these sources can vary based on model, but we also do have navigation on this model. Going to your split screen, as you can see right there, it's a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. So that is a nice touch that you do have the 9-inch touchscreen on all models. This one in particular also does have your heated and cooled seats. All of your models will have dual zone auto climate. As you can see, your sport, normal, and eco modes down here, as well as that 8-speed shifter. Down here, you have your wireless QI charging for any compatible smartphones, as well as nice stitching accents on your armrest. So that's a brief overview of the standard features inside. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and check out the standard 60/40 folding rear seats. Now, coming around back, go ahead and press the trunk release underneath the N of your Avalon logo. the trunk will pop right open. A nice touch as well is you do have a temporary spare tire and jack located underneath your floor, standard on all Avalons, which some competitors can't say. But your 60/40 folding rear seats can be activated like pulling like so, and then they just do fold flat. And that does expand your standard 16 cubic feet of cargo room vastly into the rear seats. And so that'll be it for the brief overview of the standout features and standard features on the new 2019 Toyota Avalon. I will complete a full tour of that and have it annotated above. So thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in this vehicle or into the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.